Bonus reading for August the 12th to August the 13th. Earth signs. Your cards are the Seven of Swords, the Temperance, and the High Priestess. Hindi ka maloloko ng mga tao itong mga panahon na to. Malakas ang iyong parang kutob. Hindi yung kutob na praning. Parang you have a download of either feeling what needs to be felt that your eyes can't see. Pwedeng ito yung siguro pwede ka rin makatulong lang sa ibang tao. Medyo nararamdaman mo may there's something wrong. Kung ito'y buhay trabaho, no, or career, parang feeling mo may nagbabackstab sa'yo, parang feeling mo may nag-evil eye sa'yo, parang feeling mo pinaplastic ka, merong taong kunyari, nagpapanggap na kaibigan mo, pero alam mo, no, na iba yung intention nila. Kung pera, ganun din naman. Parang lumalapit pa lang itong taong ito na nanghihirap na, ay alam kong hindi mo ibabalik. No? Hindi ka naman magiging madamot when it comes to pagtulong, pero siguro mas protected, no? Mas protected yung sarili mo dahil alam mo yung kinikilos nitong mga taong ito. Kung romance naman, yun lang. Parang nafe-feel mo dito, there's something wrong with our dynamic. I smell something fishy. The Empress and the Eight of Swords. Pero ang gagawin mo dito, hindi ka makikipag-away. You're gonna be a bigger person with the Empress and then with the Eight of Swords. You're going to disconnect yourself, no? Instead na siguro exhaust mo yung energy mo para may mapatunayan, masabing tama ka. You're going to remove yourself. Parang sinasabi mo dito, nonsense. It's nonsense for me to waste my energy to explain. It's nonsense for me to fight for someone else's attention. Sa inyo na yan. I'm protecting my peace, no? So, hindi nyo ako maloloko or hindi mo ako maloloko. Tahimik lang ako, pero alam ko yung nangyayari sa paligid. So, mag-ingat-ingat yung mga tao sa paligid mo, earth signs, dahil malakas ang iyong senses, no? Itong mga panahon na ito. So, this is your quick reading. Bonus reading rather for August the 12th to August the 13th.
My name is Daphne, but spirit calls me bye-bye love.